Hi, this is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn executing select statement. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to execute your queries in a particular database and how to verify if you want to verify anything in your database. So, I quickly jump to Tosca. So, we have standards module for database in the standard subset beneath tbox x engines databases. So these are the standard modules. So as you can see on the screen, tb open connections is used for opening the connection, and db current connection is used for to use your current connection and fetch all the details, and you want to verify something from the database in Tosca, so you can also do the validations. DB close connection is by itself. The name explains that if you want, after executing the certain test step in Tosca and you want to close the connection, so these module can be used. And DB run SQL statement is used for running the query or firing the query in a particular DB. And this is the DB expert module, which is exactly I'm going to use in my test case. So it consists of all the previously four module which I explained to you. So here you can open your connection firing SQL statement. Then if there is something in the database, you have a result table and you want to verify or cross validate buffer some data, so you can also do it. So this is a DB expert module. So I quickly jump to my test case. So this is my connection name. So first of all, before executing your queries in Tosca, so you need to create a ODBC connection which integrates your database to Tosca, and you do certain validations. So this is my test case, execute SQL query, demo. This is my DSN name. This is SQL ODBC connection, and this is my user and ID password for the particular database. And this is my SQL statement, 6 star from employee. So I need to verify whether this Arpit, which is the name of the employee, is present in the particular table or not. So before that, I need to show you a DB. So if you fire the same query in the database, so you have, if I execute it, so then you have this table. So how you can verify with Tosca? So you need to drag and drop this DB expert module to a particular test case, and then I will execute it. So it will verify whether the Arpit is present in a particular second row or second column. So as you can see on the screen, my test case is passed, and you can see the log info. Successfully executed, select star from employee, and beneath the result table, you can see the validation is successful. So this is how you can verify the data. In case you want to buffer the data, you can also buffer the data. So this is how you can do certain validation checks and buffering some data from the database. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.